Okay, let me explain you about the first program, half adder and full adder, with respect to Xilinx. Yeah, so let me start. Double click on this icon. To get this, you click OK, then go for File. In that file, go for New Project. Give project some name of your choice. Okay, next, finish. Okay, once you get finished, next create new source. Double click on this create new source. Since we are doing program in VHDL, select VHDL module here. Give a file name. Give a file name over here. So let me say it is add something. We give it as add. Okay, if you look at the full half adder, we know that it is having two inputs. A is one input, B is second input, sum is the output, tabs carries the output. So we need to change the, we have three options here, in, out and in, out. Since A and B are input, let it be as it is. So since carry and sum is output, change the input to output. Okay, next it is next, finish. You will get the creation date and time here. Okay, so once you get this, if you look at this, you will get all the details in this program. Okay, A, B is the input, sum is output, carry is the output. You can see the architecture behavioral model. We have defined all the input ports using this port, entity and begin. Here we are write the program. So what is the program? We know that the half adder sum expression is A XOR B. Okay, carry is AB, or you can even write not of A, that is A bar B plus AB bar. So let me write sum is less than or equal to. Okay, here we don't write equal to, instead we write less than or equal to A XOR B, end with semicolon. All keywords will be in blue color, end with semicolon. Okay, next we have one more, carry is less than or equal to A dot B. It is nothing but A and B. It is A and B. It is A and B. Okay, end with semicolon. Okay, once you do this, yeah, that is the program. That's all the half adder program. Now what you do, as usual, save the program. Once you save the program, you have to check for compile the program. To compile, click on the plus. Do not double click on the implement design. Click on the plus of implement design. Click on the plus of synthesis XST. Next, you can click on the plus of synthesis XST. You can just come down. You can see the check syntax. Should get green. Okay, so where it is available, you have to first check on this implement design plus mark. Then you will get synthesis XST. Click on the plus mark of synthesis XST. It will be like this. It will be like this. Okay, first click on the implement design plus mark, then click on the synthesis XST plus mark, then double click on the check syntax. Double click on the check syntax. If you see compilation successfully, that is that we are done. There is no error in the program. Okay, there is no error in the program. Next we shall see the waveform. To see the waveform, the first step is change the synthesis to behavioral model. Click on the file name once. Okay, again click on this model sim simulator. Double click on this simulate behavioral model. Double click simulate behavioral model. Just wait for a couple of seconds. You have to get this. You have to get this waveform. Okay, if it is so clumsy, you can use this to expand, or you can compress it, this type of arrow mark. Okay, you can see here you are given A, B, sum and carry. All four are appearing here. So right click on any one of this, force the value. Okay, initially it is undefined. U stands for undefined. So change the undefined from either 0 or 1. Let me give it as 1. To what you are giving, you can ensure that you are giving the value for A. Okay, so okay. Okay, now right click on B, force the value, give the B as 0. Okay, run the program. This is the run option. Run. You can see the output here. You can see the output here. We have given A as 1, we have given B as 0, we have got sum as 1, carry as 0. Okay, you can observe the output here, as well as you can observe it in the waveform also. This is 1 0. See, In waveform also it is appearing. You can just move this here and there. Click move ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. Okay, you can just click it on, you can move the waveform. Okay, now you change, let me change B, it was 0. Let me change B from 0 to 1. Since now both A and B both are 1 and 1, output sum should be 0, carry should be 1. Let me run the program. Yes. No, B is not changed. B is not changed. Yeah, it's appearing here. You just have to move this. You move this. Okay, that's it. If you don't want this, leave away this. You can just see over here only the waveform. See the waveform. When A and B are both are 0 0. Andre you can just move the value keeps on changing. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು value change ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, that's all. That's all the program. Okay. So only thing is you right click, force, change the value. Once you change, run the program. Okay, so this is the half adder program. Similarly for full adder program, you stop this, you stop this. What you do, add one extra input here, add one extra input here, because full adder we know we have 3 inputs, C colon, same type in the same way, in colon, there is no colon, std underscore logic, end with semicolon. Okay, so that is third input. Here let the output remain same. Instead of C you give it as CO, because input and output cannot have the same name. Output cannot have the same name. Give it as CO. Okay, so what is the change in the program here? Sum, it is A XOR B XOR C. A XOR B XOR C. Carry is AB plus BC plus CA. So it is AB is nothing, it's very clear, A and B, plus is nothing but OR, open and close, BC, B and C, B and C, AB plus BC plus CA, CA, AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, so you change the C, because we are given at 0. Okay, so save the program, go back from behavioral to synthesis to compile the program. Double click on this, check syntax. If you are getting any symbol, yeah, we are getting some undefined symbol, 0, probably that is so. I have given 0 here, I guess. Again you save, check syntax, yes, it's right. Okay, that is the full adder. Only you have to add one extra line for this, nothing else to be done now. Okay, so once there is no error, change the synthesis to behavioral, click on this, double click on this model sim simulator. Okay, as usual, drag this below, right click A, force the values, to 1, once if you force the value of A to 1, give it as OK. Okay, next force the right click to the B, force the value of B also to 1. Okay, let C remains back at 0. Let C remains back at 0. Okay, Okay, now run the program. We have got, we had given A as 1, we had given B as 1. Okay, when A, B and C as 0, so 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry of 1. Yes, we are getting. Okay, this is the first program. In a similar way, do for a half subtractor as well as full subtractors. Just change the variables and expressions from the truth table. Okay, thank you.